Hello students, welcome to the Aryadi classes. April 2026 examples. Example number first, tan inverse of under root of 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 1 plus root 6 is equals to pi by 3 plus tan inverse of k. Then question sec inverse of k is. Therefore first here we have to find out k. Yes, k. Steps are tan inverse of under root of, here under root part, root of 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, first here adjustment step, root 3 minus root 2 whole bracket square. Okay, root 3 is equals to a, suppose, minus root 2 is equals to b. Then we know that a minus b bracket square, expansion a square minus 2ab plus b square, root 3 square 3 minus root 3 into root 2 root 6, 2 root 6, here 2 root 6 term. Okay, and next plus b square, that is root 2 square 2 plus 3, we get here 5. This is our first adjustment. Okay, then square root cancel, therefore we are here we get root 3 minus root 2. Then using this value in the left side, therefore tan inverse of, here we get under root of 5 minus 2 under root of 6 is equals to root 3 minus root 2 whole divided by 1 plus adjustment of root 6 is equals to root 3 into root 2 is equals to pi by 3 plus tan inverse of k as it is. Okay, then next part is equals to, we know that tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 plus x into y, expansion tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. By formula, here we get tan inverse of root 3 minus tan inverse of root 2 equals to pi by 3 plus tan inverse of k. Okay, then tan inverse of root 3. Root 3 is a value of tan. Yes, 60, that is in radian, pi by 3. Therefore, pi by 3 minus tan inverse of root 2 is equals to pi by 3 plus tan inverse of k. Okay, then next step is comparing both the sides. We get here pi by 3 and last part after comparing here we get tan inverse of k, yes, is equals to with minus sign minus tan inverse of root 2. Therefore tan inverse of k is equals to minus tan inverse of root 2 is equals to tan inverse of minus root 2. Yes, therefore value of k is equals to minus root 2. We know that minus tan inverse of theta is equals to tan inverse of minus theta. Okay, therefore value of k equals to minus root 2. Question, find sec inverse of k. Therefore here sec inverse of k is equals to sec inverse of value of k minus root 2. Then next step is sec inverse of minus theta. Sec inverse of minus theta, pi minus sec inverse of theta is equals to here root 2. Okay, then pi as it is. Sec inverse of root 2 is a value of, yes, pi by 4. Yes, pi by 4. Then here we get 4 pi minus pi. Yes, 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi upon 4. This is our required answer. Okay, example number first. Next example number 2, a vector has magnitude 3 root 2 and makes angles pi by 4 and pi by 2 with the positive x and y, axis respectively. Question, find the vector, means find that required vector. Okay, this is our question. Find the vector. Here our steps are, vector has magnitude. Here magnitude of that required vector given. Magnitude a vector has magnitude 3 root 2. This step number 1, our supposition, let that required vector be V bar. Say V bar. Let required vector be V bar. Then its magnitude given, that is magnitude of V bar is equals to 3 root 2. This is first given thing. Okay. Next, and makes angle pi by 4 and pi by 2 with the positive x and y axis. That required vector makes an angle pi by 4 and pi by 2 with respect to x axis pi by 4, say alpha. We know that alpha, beta, gamma are called direction angles made by the vector with respect to positive direction of x, y, z axis respectively. Okay. Therefore, here alpha is equals to pi by 4 and beta is equals to, yes, beta is equals to pi by 2. Question, find the vector. Then here our hint, find that required vector. Then required vector is equals to our supposition V bar. Okay, V bar. Then we know that unit vector parallel, that is along the vector V bar, is V cap is equals to V bar upon its magnitude. Correct? Then next question, find V bar. Therefore V bar is equals to, upon term becomes in the left side into magnitude of V bar into V cap. Yes, then here magnitude given 3 root 2. Therefore, first here we have to find out V cap. Yes, V cap. First here we have to find out V cap, and V cap is equals to Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap, where Lmn are the direction cosines. Yes, Lmn are the direction cosines. Okay. Therefore, first here we have to find out Lmn. Steps are, to find Lmn, alpha given, beta given, first here we have to find out gamma. Step number 1. Step number 2, then here we have to find out Lmn by cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Okay, then using that Lmn here here not V bar, here V cap. Yes, V cap, and V cap into its magnitude. Then we get required vector. This is our hint. Okay, hint. Alpha given, beta given. First here we have to find out gamma. Yes, we know that alpha is equals to, therefore cos alpha is equals to cos pi by 4. Yes, and cos pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. Then next step is cos beta is equals to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is equals to 0. Then we know that L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. Yes, that is L square means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 1. Cos alpha is equals to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square, 1 by 2 plus cos beta pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0 square 0 plus cos square gamma equals to 1. Therefore, here we get, yes, cos square gamma is equals to 1 minus plus 1 by 2, in the right becomes minus 1 by 2. Therefore, cos square gamma is equals to 1 minus half. Okay, therefore cos gamma is equals to plus or minus 1 upon root 2. This is a value of cos gamma. Okay, then next step is, therefore V cap is equals to Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. Therefore, V cap is equals to, we know that Lmn, L is equals to cos alpha. Cos alpha is equals to, yes, cos alpha is equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 into I cap plus Mj cap. M is equals to cos beta 0 j cap plus or minus cos gamma, that is N. Yes, plus or minus 1 upon root 2 into k cap. Therefore, V cap is equals to 1 upon root 2, taking common in bracket I cap plus or minus 1 into k cap. Yes, this is our V cap. Okay, then question, find. Yes, question, find V bar is equals to magnitude of V bar into V cap. Okay, then magnitude equals to 3 root 2. Yes, using its magnitude. Therefore, the required vector V bar is equals to, yes, magnitude of V bar into V cap. Therefore, V bar is equals to magnitude 3 root 2 and V cap plus or minus 1 upon root 2 in bracket I cap plus or minus k cap, then into root 2 upon root 2 cancel. Therefore, V bar is equals to plus or minus multiplying by here plus or minus. इथे आपण plus minus common मध्ये घेतली तरी sign चालेल or here plus minus sign cancel. Okay. Therefore, plus or minus answer 3 I cap is given value plus or minus, sorry, not plus or minus here. 3 into 1, 3 I cap plus or minus, yes, 3 k cap. This is our required answer. Okay, इथे काय केलं? Okay, plus or minus आपण adjust केलं. Then next, therefore possible vectors are, sir, here question vectors are 2. Therefore possible vectors are 3 I cap plus 3 k cap or 3 I cap minus 3 I cap minus 3 k cap. Okay, correct answer. Next example number 3. Solve dy by dx is equals to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Okay, this is our example. Differential equation topic? Yes, differential equation dy by dx, that is find the solution, equals to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Step number first, put x plus y is equals to, yes, x plus y. Substitution, yes. Step number 1, find the general solution. Dy upon dx is equals to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Step number 1, supposition. Put x plus y is equals to u. Step number 1, substitution. Then differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of x 1, derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx, derivative of u with respect to x du upon dx. Okay. Therefore, here dy upon dx is equals to value du upon dx, okay, minus 1. This is value of dy by dx. Using, we get dy upon dx is equals to du upon dx minus 1 is equals to sine function as it is x plus y equals to u, cos of x plus y is equals to u. Okay. Then next part, du upon dx is equals to sin u plus cos u as it is, and minus 1 in the right becomes plus 1. Okay. Then step number 2. Step number 1, substitution. Step number 2, differentiation. After substitution, reduce the form, given form. After substitution, reduce the given form into variable separable. Okay. Variable separable form. Then variable separable, sin u plus cos u plus 1 in the left side becomes upon sin u plus, yes, sin u plus cos u plus 1 into du as it is. Yes, into du as it is. And upon dx becomes into dx. This is in the variable separable form. Then next part, integrating both the sides, we get integration of 1 upon sin u plus cos u plus 1 into du is equals to integration of here 1 dx plus constant of integration c. Yes, then we know that integration of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx. Yes, steps are, step number 1, substitution, put. Okay, the next part, substitution. Substitution, put t is equals to, yes, put t is equals to tan u by 2. Okay, tan u by 2, substitution. Therefore, derivative, yes, derivative is equals to, after here differentiation, we get du is equals to, yes, du is equals to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, this is our derivative, 2t, yes, 2t upon 1 plus t square, 2 dt, differentiation, yes, 2 dt, okay, and then next sin u, yes, sin u value 2t upon 1 plus t square, okay, and cos u is equals to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Therefore, here we get integration of du is equals to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square divided by sin u is equals to 2t upon 1 plus t square plus cos u 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square plus 1 as it is plus 1, and in the right side into du value 2 dt upon 1 plus t square value of du. Right side integration of 1 dx x, yes, plus c. Then next part, taking LCM in the denominator, taking LCM, integration of, yes, denominator 1 plus t square, here denominator, here 1 plus t square. Therefore, in the last part, multiply and divide by 1 plus t square. 2t as it is plus 1 plus into minus t square as it is plus here multiply and divide by 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square. Denominator 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square cancel. Therefore, here we get 2 into dt equals to x plus c. Then next part, integration of 2 upon plus t square minus t square cancel. 2t plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2t plus 2 into dt equals to x plus c. Then next part, taking 2 common from the denominator, yes, taking 2 common from the denominator and into 2 upon 2 cancel. Therefore, integration of 1 upon t plus 1 into dt equals to x plus c. Then we know that here formula, integration of 1 upon 1 plus t dt, log of derivative of t, 1 exists. Therefore, integration of f dash of t upon f of t dt is equals to log of mod of 1 plus t is equals to x plus c. Therefore, log of mod of 1 plus, put t is equals to, yes, t is equals to tan u upon 2, tan u upon 2, u is equals to x plus y, yes, u equals to x plus y. Therefore, here we get tan of, yes, 1 plus tan of 1 log of 1 plus tan of, put t is equals to u and u equals to x plus y upon 2 equals to x plus c. This is our required answer. Okay.